Hi, this is Chung, coming to you live from the WHPR studio. Today is Friday, January 18th, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 29 degrees with afternoon snow. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks lost last night against the Rangers with a score of 3-4. The Bulls lost last night against the Nuggets with a score of 105-135. Today's announcements are: hope you remember today's zero waste lunch. School store will take place today during lunch. Be sure to bring down your money or hot cash to get some cool supplies. On Tuesday, don't forget to wear sportswear to remind us to have good sportsmanship at recess. Monday is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. There is no school. A famous quote from Dr. King is, "The ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands at times of challenge and controversy." Now a message from Mrs. Rosenblum.
Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy staff and students. Thank you so much for sharing that great quote from Dr. Martin Luther King. There are many amazing quotes from him, so I hope you'll get a chance to study and think about some of those because he is really a great guide in how to live life. I, of course, would like to celebrate our kindness bricks. Thank you to everyone who submitted them. They're beautiful, and they are now on display. We filled almost an entire wall with your bricks at the top of the steps. So be sure to check those out. They're kind of by the OTPT room, Mrs. Jane's office, Mrs. Slavic's office, kind of right at the top there. So please do check them out. And if you still have some bricks, send them on in because I think we can finish covering that entire wall. We're pretty close to it. So thank you for acknowledging all those acts of kindness. I have our Smensel winners for today. The following student and staff were recognized by other people in the building for the amazing things that they've done in the last week. After I call your name, please head to the office for your special Smensel with the frog. Congratulations to Mia from room 118, Sandy from 210, Carla from 204, Ruhi from 116, Graydon from 116, Mrs. Prusco, Mrs. Jacoby, Miss Lee, Mr. Sustich, Troy from room 202, Cruz from room 113, Giselle from 113, Eddie from room 113, and Ariana from room 113. Congratulations also to Grace from 107, Ayumi from 112, Yuga from 112, Adam from 120, Christian from 117, Brent from 114, Natalia from 115, Costa from 115, and Brianna from 115. Thank you, Brianna, for the beautiful note you sent me, by the way. I've been looking forward to meeting with you to tell you that. Congratulations to our other Smensel winners, Mariah from 106, Elena from 204, Riley from 204, Jasmine from 204, Tyler from room 106, Rashika from 108, and Mrs. Goodell, Mrs. Benson, Mr. Shop, Miss Hofeld, and Miss Carbone. Congratulations to all of our Smensel winners. And yay, it's time for our Hoover School song. Here we go. Come on over, girls. Can you fit? Come on here, girls, right here. Oh.
Lean up against the wall. There we go. Up you go. Okay, we can stand
Up, up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover, it's the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in Thank you so much. All right, boys and girls, today is another great day to shine brighter together.
Thank you, Mrs. Rosenblum. Today's National Winnie the Pooh Day. Did you know this character was based off a real bear? This week's announcements were brought to you by the Cheesy Cats. Have a Fuzzy Sock Friday.